DeAndre Freeman.
Okay, so hopefully I look good because, bitch. What's up, all you motherfuckers? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shay Shakur, bitch, the only urban goddess on this YouTube platform. How you doing? So today, me and my friend, we're about to go out to eat, spark up. You know what I'm saying? I know you guys been wanting me to do more hair videos, and I got that coming. But I'm in a process of revamping my channel, just trying to come up with new ideas. I don't want to just throw out hair videos like, here bitch, buy this synthetic wig because I got it on. I don't want to do anything like that. I'm trying to take this wig reviews thing to another level. So that's where we at right now, Urban Mafia. That's where we at. So today, you know what I'm saying, got the little baby hairs out, bandana, side ponytail, two little ching 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 bangs, and yeah, I am just feeling this classic look. But yeah, I just want to give y'all a rundown of what's going on today. I don't want to record myself talking a lot, more so of what me and my friend are doing. So yeah. Okay, so y'all, this girl telling me, let me get this straight. This girl want me to spark up the damn blunt while we're driving to the restaurant.
Newspaper.
Cause I'm hungry. Don't nobody got time to go all the way there, then spark it up. Then we gotta wait to smoke the shit. The shit is gonna already be halfway gone by the time we get there. Boom, go in. We're high as fuck already.
What you just said makes no sense.
It makes perfect sense.
What we smoking on? Okay, Shayla picked out Swisher Sweets Tropical Fusion.
Actually, Daddy did.
Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy.
Okay. Which side? Here.
I have no idea. We need to be careful about this one, cause last time,
bitch, we lit it up from the other side.
Hey y'all, tell us what y'all think.
Thumbnail. Be pulling it before they even see this shit.
I mean, I know, but like, which side we should have pulled it from?
Look at this. So fucking beautiful. You got some napkins so I can wipe my lips?
No, but I have, You fucking whore. You see what she just did? That was my favorite jacket. Got yours a bit. Tell me why.
Where are we ashing it at?
Oh shit, let me put on my seatbelt. Put on your seatbelt. Oh, your seatbelt already on.
Pull this shit, girl. What you doing? Pull it.
You talking to me?
No, I'm talking to Dale.
Tell my bro roll a wood. We gon' spark that shit up, it's gon' take all the pain away. I'm stuck in my past. My brothers, they pass, pray my life, it won't fade away. Spent a few bins on my drill. Look at my kick. Spin this bitch all on my dick. Rollie gon' ice on my wrist. It cost a brick. Baby, this not counterfeit. Niggas gon' hate cause we up now. He throw a party, that shit gon' get shut down. The people that's talking the mates won't be broke. So why do they still take the bus round? I had to spice up my lifestyle. Tell my mama that I gotta shine now. My brother got booked for a minute, so I had to go and make grandmama real proud. So I'm stuck.
some perfume here. Let me stop before I choke us.
That was a High School Musical, bitch.
No, that wasn't. That was off a scary movie.
Oh, it's some scary movie with the basketball part?
Yeah. He was like, oh.
Oh my
Where's your phone? Where's your phone gonna do?
I just disabled my phone. I'm so fucking high. Oh my god. I can say oh my god because I disabled my password.
You said that I'm high. Where's the camera? She can hear you.
Well, you're doing bad acting because now she look back. She would hear us saying this.
Yeah. Best song.
Disable 3 minutes. If our school had a dance like this, and you was texting me and I wasn't responding because I'm having too much fun, and if you actually went through the crowd and actually tried to find me, would you know that this is me just by looking at me?
Yeah, I would.
Like, Shayla, is that you? So you wouldn't say, Shayla, is that you?
No,
Or you just come and be like, Shayla, man.
Yeah, I'd be like, bitch. And then, or I say Marco Polo.
So if you was looking for me, well, we had a party, it's too loud. So if you just going off looks, and just by looking at me, you'll know that this is me. If you was in a party trying to look for me.
Yeah, especially, like, it depends on what kind of party it is, too. Bro, what is your password?
I know my password. I think.
Oh, my God.
Oh, my gosh. I think I know what happened. I think somebody... Okay, hold on. This is all a coincidence to me. iPhone is disabled 15 minutes. Okay, y'all. So basically today I had applied to what I think is Apple Jobs, and I had put down my iCloud and my iCloud password, and I think somebody just hacked my iCloud.
Are you serious?
Yeah, but I could be overthinking right now.
Bro.
Oh shit.
Add the dramatic music.
What you talking about?
Okay, so you know in movies when something happens, and it's like
what if our life was a movie and we actually heard the music?
yeah, like Shayla just cooked some eggs. Bam, 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 bam.
Cooking eggs. So me and Shayla, we're about to watch Jeepers Creepers. Hopefully it's on Netflix. Shayla never watched it before, so I gotta get her to watch it. If you don't shut the hell up. Y'all.
Baby daddy.
Hold on. Just sit there and look at the camera. Y'all, tell me. Do Shayla look like that thumb off Spy Kids? Was the thumb or was it a big toe? Because it's either that or you look like a tater tot. I don't know. Maybe McDonald's hair is brown. But I don't know what you got going on. But I don't like it.
Sometimes it's wrong, sometimes it's right. For every win, someone must fail. But there comes a point when it's said, say, shoot, 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 shoot.
Oh shit, I messed up. Go, 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 go. Hey, 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 hey. You gotta come stand over me and pop.
wiggle, jiggle, wiggle, jiggle, wiggle, jiggle.